Hello, this is GISdonwell. Today, I'd like to have a short demo how to automatically separate overlapping points in pointFC class in a file geodatabase. So, to demo the process, I make a copy of the original pointFC class and the pointFC class copy, and the whole process has 3 steps. First, we need to find how many points belong to overlapping points by using find identical tools. Step 2, to simplify the process, use join to do the match and then update the attribute of field last modified user. And because after we have that attribute, we can build a where clause. We only separate those points belong to overlapping points. And so last step is running the Python script. Okay, so here is the original pointFC class. So because I already did some analysis, I know where it is. Here, this point is you see the same location have 4 points. They are overlapping each other. No matter how far you are zooming in, it's still one location. So I can, but not every here. I know this is just single point. Most of our single points. You know, we have totally 40,486 points. I need to find how many identical, geographically identical. Okay, so okay. Oh, not this one. We need to find identical. Okay, I need to uncheck that, otherwise I'll only running this tool on that selected feature. So here, you see, this is my original feature class. So here, okay, the tool have you can see if the shape field is selected, so feature geometry is compared. That means we only find those are geographically identical. So that's what we want here. So let's run this. Okay, how many? Open it. Okay, 5,463 points belong to overlapping points. So here, but I don't want to move the points for those one. I only want to move those have points overlapping each other. So I need to do a join here. I need to do a join. Okay. Object ID. But here we need to use this FID. This FID is originally this point feature class object ID. So you can find more information in that find identical tool. It's help file. Okay, we do a match. Okay, that's video. That's the exactly number we confirmed. Okay, so okay, let's join. Now let's open the attribute. Okay, it's joined. The total number, right? Oh, I need to check last modified user. Modified user, not modified user. Okay, because I already did the whole process. Those attributes I already updated. So you see, I already updated. You can see here. Modified user. They all belong to Steve Python. Okay, because I will build a where clause based on this field. Okay. Now we are going to step 3. Okay, let's see the Python script. The Python script is very simple. First we have the point feature class, and then we make a copy. But this is check if the copy exists or not. If exists, delete it. If not, we make a copy. Okay. Now we have a where clause. So I only want move those records that have last modified user equal to Steve Python. And now we can build a update cursor, and we're working on copy, and the field, because we want to move the XY, so we shape field. So this where clause, as I said, I don't want to move the points for all the points in the feature class. Only those meet this requirement. That means they have overlapping each other point. After that, okay, I loop through the cursor row by row, and I only need to offset X and Y just a very small number. So you know this Python, you need to import this random, and then this will give you a small value between 0 to 1, but that is still too big, so I divide it by 1000, and then you update each X or Y, each row X, Y. So this is X and offset a little bit, and this is Y, offset a little bit, and then we have this just record the number and how many records are updated, and print how many, and finally when it's done I print done. Okay, so let's run this. It take 1 minute or 2 minutes. I think just 1 minute or so. Okay, it's done. It's good. It's done. Now let's open here. Let's make it big. Okay. Okay. Let's this one. Okay. So because I already joined this table, I don't need this anymore. I just want to arrange the origin table and the final table side by side. Okay, side by side. Okay, this is a copy, and I can now I don't need. I can remove the join. Yeah, remove the join. Okay. Now, for example, let's check. This is okay. This is in the original, in the copy. Okay. Now want to verify it's separated or not. So we just zoom in. Okay. Zoom in. Yeah, because I move just a little bit, so I need to zoom in. Enough. Okay, now when I select it, you see this is the original one. When you go here, they are overlapping each other. See overlapping each other, right? So, but this is the copy one. Okay, this one is here, second one is here, third one is here, and first one is here. Right? Each location, I have this. Oh, too many. Cannot see. Each location they have different. Some of them may be just two point overlapping each other, but this one you see 7. This one has 7, so you can zoom in. Okay, it has 6. Okay, I select that one. Oh. Make it big. Zoom in. See. Yeah, still need to zoom in. You see, the green one, is separate little bit, and there are 6. There's 6. You see 6. Why? You can see 6. The reason why I just offset this move a little bit because I don't want move this, because address if this is address, the address should be in the legal parcel, right? And otherwise, if the original point is close to the legal parcel boundary, if I offset x or y and too big, it will be located in the wrong location. As far as this point, I just moved in the same legal parcel. That should be okay for the address, right? The different point, you need to give offset x or y, and depends on different purpose. You may be offset, give the offset big or small. That depends. So I think that's the easy when you use the right tool and use this Python to do this separating overlapping point. Otherwise, you will see, and we know we have 5,463 overlapping points. You need manually to start editing and to move them, separate them. It will take a long time, and it will maybe take weeks or months to do it. So I hope this will help others with the same issue. And if you have any suggestion and question, and please leave a message and my video. Thank you very much for your watching, and have a great day. See you next time. Bye.